This is the cheapest benchtop multimeter on Amazon, and today I'm going to show you how I remote controlled it. Alright, so this is what the end product is. It's got a gauge set for measuring voltage. It's got COM ports, so it gives you a list of available COM ports. You push this button and it opens that COM port and sends the initiation to get the meter into the right mode. Hit the start timer button. Once you hit the start timer button, these two buttons disable. And what happens is every second it executes commands, and I'll show you that. Stop timer stops the reading and closes the COM port. Now the XAML, let me just make sure you got the right namespace in there. Okay, so you can see it's pretty basic. This bit here is the gauge, so not much to it. Okay, again the link to the files is in my GitHub. Alright, so two buttons, combo box, button, then another two buttons. These two buttons are down here. Not much to it. Now the C# side. So not much really happens. It says it loads the COM ports as it boots. So initialize component starts the page. Load COM ports is this void here, and it loads the COM ports and populates that COM port box. The button click for initiating to send the command, so it sends this. So it puts it in voltage, AC, and auto range. Okay, so once the start button has been pushed, it initiates this, so it starts the new timer. Here's the timer and all the stuff that happens in the timer. So what it does is it sends measure1 question mark, and then the response from measure1 question mark, the read line back, turns into the gauge value, the measured value. See, if we have a button for stop timer, I just commented this out because the first time it always does it. It dropped an error for me, but it still works perfectly fine. Alright, stop timer button click. Simple as that. I'll show you it works. $120 is the COM port that is it. An easy way of finding the COM port is just unplugging the one that you have that you want to talk to and see which COM port number disappears. Okay, push the button. Yep, so port 120 is opened, AC voltage is set. Over here you'll just see it would have changed. Yep, every second, so we're getting some just gibberish now, but let me go ahead and turn the PowerPoint on. There you go, 241.97 volts, and it's going to jump around a little bit. Yep, so that's it. Testing. And that's it. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Link in the description. I've got more on the gauges. I've got quite a good in-depth video of how to do the gauges up in the cards right now.